Hello everyone, this is Business Master Suite. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a trailer for your YouTube channel. Now, for those of you who do not know what a trailer is, it is a video that appears at the top of your channel when you look at it. So first, you want to go, depending on where you're at, you want to go to view your channel, okay? This is the trailer that I'm talking about. Okay, in order to get this, you're going to go to Customize Channel right here. Okay, then you're going to click on Home tab, and you can rearrange all of these here, but you're going to click Add Section. And Channel Trailer is at the top. And then once you click on that, it'll have you select which video you already have uploaded, and there you have your channel trailer. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or would like to see a specific video or tutorial on any platform, any channel, any social media platform, anything. And we would be happy to do a tutorial for you. Thanks for watching.